Remove the outer cylinder knob. Insert a CR2 battery in the right position and make sure the white battery strap is properly under the battery. Slide the knob sleeve accurately. And tighten the screws for both sides, fully with hexagon key. Tape the programming card on the reader for 10 seconds. The red light starts flashing periodically for 10 seconds. Keep taping the card until the green light is flashing 3 times. The programming card has successfully been set. The installation is now complete. For more instruction on how to program cards, pin codes, and pair the smartphone, please refer to the user manual